Page 31, this is exercise number 1. This is taken from a Hanon book. It's a good book to have, in my opinion. If you just want to wiggle your fingers all over everywhere, that book is fine. It's a bunch of sequences going up and down and all kinds of patterns. And I use it just for the fun of it. And this is the first one in it. And you're just in this position, you're going up the keyboard. And then when you get up to a certain point, I think in the book you go up like 2 octaves or more, but then look here in the second line, the half note, then it comes down and it's 5/4. It's good if you want to wiggle your fingers. Do the same in the left hand. Here, 5/4. And then when you come down, but do them at the same time. And then come down. And as far as how fast you go, that's up to you. They need to be even and controlled. And I recommend, like I explained in the scale videos, let the wrist claps and accent. First, real slow, just a few. This gives an idea of not keeping the wrist straight all the time. Let the wrist claps a little bit, and you're using weight to push the notes down. You're not using the fingers to push them down. The weight's pushing them down. And then speed it up and do 2. Work the wrists, and then do 3. It's a little trickier. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Try that. Use a metronome, keep it slow. You don't really need to go really super fast on this. In the book, in the Hanon book, they have metronome markings in there. I suggest you ignore those. Those are like ridiculous. Use your own markings, go your own speed. Now, in number 9, it's Czerny is another person who, famous teacher, and he wrote all kinds of exercises and things, and I like the Czerny stuff. Czerny usually has some sort of a melody to it, where Hanon is just these sequences going up and down. But Czerny, you've got this. So it has a little bit of a melody going on in there, and this is the thirds. Here, broken thirds, it's a weird feeling at first. Just take it slow and easy. It's slow to me. Then catch up. Reach down octave. That's kind of fun. I wish you'd do the left hand too, but again, do the wrist and the accents here. I think it'd be better if you do both hands together. And you don't have to, you can do it anywhere you want. And then 2 beats. And then 3 beats. And then 4 beats. So forth. It's a weird feeling with the way this is written, but it works out. It helps you to stay relaxed and loose, and because you get tense and tense muscles don't move fast. It just doesn't work. To do this quickly, you got to be very relaxed, very little motion, I'm simply transferring weight here, and I'm kind of rolling. I'm lowering which finger I want the weight to be on is all. I can exaggerate it so you can see it, because it really is a very little motion, but it's just a real real small, light, relaxed motion. And that's what you're after. 10 at the bottom is the same thing for the left hand. Except the end. The figure for the right hand, I don't care. Whatever you want to do. I like the idea, though, of doing 9 and 10 exercises. Do them all as 16th notes in both hands. And playing exercise number 9, the notes in that number 9. You could do exercise number 10 in both hands. And then here, it's here. Changed the left hand went to treble clef, and I came down in the right hand. I could have gone up rather than that, whichever. It's just you're working the fingers in both hands. Just stay relaxed. If you start tensing up, stop, shake them out, slow it down, and stay relaxed. Very important. Also, try these at very, very, very super soft. How soft can you play this? Very soft, all of them. It's harder to play really soft than really loud. You're playing heavy. Here you're playing very light.